Welcome back, guys. This is part 9 of this series of installing the Thursday Aspen 16 by 35 fiberglass pool. Today we got all the plumbing done. You can see we got the interior put in, the filters. They've got it up and running. They've actually got the pool filled. They got all the wiring done, electrical, plumbing, everything's going. So let's just take a look at it and see what it looks like. They started vacuuming it today, made a little dent in it. Said they'd be back, unfortunately, Tuesday to get it all cleaned and set up and ready to go. So we won't get to enjoy it for Memorial Day. But we were talking about in the last video, if you've been watching this, a few issues we had to bring up to them, and I got to give them total credit. They have said they'll take care of every single thing, no questions asked. And that's what you want out of a business. You know, they just do what they say they're going to do. You can see down here on the other end, little jets are running. It's not going to be a very long video today. They got the deck jet here and the deck jet here. It's running here now. But you can see it down here on this end. We got it up to the overflow pipe, exactly where they told us to fill it. So now we're just waiting for Tuesday to come, for them to come back and get it all ready, get all the chemicals balanced and get it cleaned up. I thank y'all for taking a look at this video. We can take some pictures when it's all said and done and put the final post on this.